Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just going to show you what we are going to unbox in the upcoming 2 weeks. So let's start with this. My personal favorite, this one is the Lamborghini Sian by Mini GT, and this one is the violet color, or you can say matte viola. So this was available in K&D. So luckily I bought this one. So I was waiting for this for a very long time, and finally I was able to get it. And this is the Aventador SVJ Roadster. This is a golden color, or you can say Oro Eliois. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so next one is one of my favorite brand, which is Maisto, and these are Mijo exclusives, and this one is from the Lowrider series. If you remember, we unboxed a lot of Maisto sometime back. Whatever you are seeing here, except for this one, the rest here until the end here are all our Maistos. So each one had a specific set of names like Muscle Missions or Outlaw series, and this one is these are from the Lowrider series. So I bought these two. So this one I think I bought it from TCI, Toy Collectors India, and we are going to unbox this one as well. So this one is the Spider Mobile, and this is by Hot Wheels. I personally love Spider-Man so much, as you guys know, so I just wanted to unbox this one and see, because I was waiting for a long time to get my hands on this one. Finally I got it. So this one we are going to unbox, and there's one more brand which I'm going to unbox throughout a week. So most of the people just overlook this brand, they don't know much about the quality of this brand. So I personally liked it, so I bought around 7 to 8 pieces. So which is this one is a Siku. So I have 7, totally I have 8. So I have 7 I'm going to unbox now, and rest one is a Lamborghini, which I'm planning to unbox during a Lamborghini week. So this one is Alfa Romeo and a Bentley Continental, and I personally love this color. We are going to unbox this one as well. Dodge Challenger. Okay, this one is my personal favorite, the Volkswagen Beetle Cabrio. I really loved this one. It looks really cute, and it has both headlights and taillights as well. So I bought all this, each piece for like 349 rupees, or somewhere around 249 rupees, a few of the pieces, as you can see here. So this one is a BMW X6M, and here is the Mercedes-Benz GLA. So all these are around this 349 rupees range. I don't know, still now we are getting this. So I bought this like a few months back. This one is the Gumbert Apollo. So these are the things which we are going to unbox in the upcoming 2 weeks. So stay tuned guys, and subscribe if you love my content. Hit thumbs up if you like my content. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.